Hello, it's just Emily back with another day of News 4. Today we're going to find out why people love Gumball so much.
When you first bite into it, your taste buds are hit with the sugary goodness that is the Gumball. The entire experience is delightful.
I love Gumballs, especially the pink ones. There's nothing like the first bite of a Gumball. Sir, what do you think about Gumballs?
Well, I used to work at Silicon Valley Bank. Life was good. Everyone bought shares of the Gumball company with us. But then they changed their recipe. Everyone started selling their shares. Because of that, the bank crashed and I lost my job. I hate them for that. Right now, I'm just going here to get a coffee.
Did you hear that, folks? He wants a coffee! A coffee!
I hope I get a Gumball, otherwise I'll be late for work.
I really want the strawberry Gumball. I hope I get it. I need a Gumball.
Is anyone else going to get the raspberry Gumball? I want that one.
Why isn't this working? It won't work.
Whatever, just let me try. I don't understand why the Gumball machine isn't working.
I will, but I need help. This Gumball machine is too big of a threat for me alone. Who wants to help me?
I think I'll help you.
I guess I'll come too.
I'm in!
Okay, good luck.
No, I need you too.
Fine, I'll be late for work.
No one cares about your work. The world is at stake. Besides, no one even cared about your work when the world wasn't at stake.
I have an idea. The Gumball machine will probably head to a bank to steal more money.
Let's go to Silicon Valley Bank. I heard they just closed.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Gumball machine, this has gone too far.
It's all your fault. You're the one that created me. Fred!
How could you, Fred? You were the problem all along.
Enough talking. It's time to get ready for once and for all. That was weird.
He won't be bothering us anymore.
Hello peeps, welcome back to News 4. We're here at the scene of the crime. Fred, how do you feel about saving the world from the evil Gumball machine?
Well, I feel so proud of myself.
And did you do this all by yourself?
Yes. Well, no. The real hero is all of us. Except the politicians.
Ah!
Hey, no.
What do you mean
Lawyers
not
are
except the
better.
politicians?
You wanted to be the